guys, I'm doing a video on my home button stickers that I got today, but I only got three from Claire's two days ago. I'm not sure, but so the first one I just got these 3 packs. Got in pack. Well, some in the pack. So the first one I got is this one. Sorry, this one came in this clear thing and just this pink. Maybe I should shine the light. Yeah, probably would be better. And then just to get this one. Why isn't my camera focusing? Oh my gosh, it's not focusing. But just this pink one, right? Yep, it's pink. It's pink, and then the next one I got is this one. It's just kind of like turquoise color. And then I just got these ones. So let's go move on to the next one. So these are the ones. Hope you can see them. Sorry, these are the ones. These are the ones. Oh my gosh, can you see them? Okay, first one is just this. Oh my gosh, it's just this one. It's just this one. It's just purple one, which came with the other one, but I was just wearing it on my iPod. And then I have this one. Well, this one, there was a brown one right here, but then I took it off and put it on, and then, well, the other one, and I have these ones. It's just like these lips. These are just these lips, and then these dots, and it was just polka dots. Then I have this cute animal, which looks like this. Oh my gosh. So yeah, and yeah, I'm just gonna. Oh my gosh, I can't really hold up. Just got that one, and then I got this one, which says love. Wait, let me see if you can see it. Oh my gosh, one came out. I don't know how I'm gonna do the video, but I'll just go like this, and then one came off. And then I just got this love one, and then yeah, this is my video. I'm happy with the photo. And yeah, let's see if you can see the one. Focus. Somehow it's not focusing.
I'm really sorry. I haven't been very good friends as you
It's not focusing. But then that's the last. Not the last one. And then I have this one. And this one that says, I love me, which is just like backwards. And I hope you like this video. I hope it was supportive. And yeah. Bye.